Welcome to Kavi Kids World. Let's learn and have fun. Let's learn kitchen utensils today. This is a spoon. We eat food with this. This is a fork. It helps us pick up food. This is a safe knife. It helps cut soft food. This is a plate. We keep our food on it. This is a bowl. We use it for soups and snacks. This is a cup. We drink water or juice from it. This is a pan. We cook yummy food in it. This is a pot. It cooks soups and noodles. This is a spatula. It flips pancakes and eggs. This is a mug. Grown-ups drink warm drinks in it. This is a board. We cut food safely on it. This is a rolling pin. It rolls dough flat. This is a ladle. It scoops soup easily. This is a whisk. It mixes things smoothly. These are tongs. They pick up hot food safely. This is a strainer. It drains water from food. These are measuring cups. They help measure ingredients. Like, subscribe, and share Kavi Kids World.